Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we simplify tough words and make pronunciation easy for everyone. Today, we'll be learning how to pronounce the medical term ischemia. Let's get started. This word is often mispronounced as ischemia or ischemia. It can be tricky, but I'll show you the correct way step by step. The correct pronunciation is ischemia. First part, is, like the word is. Second part, key, rhymes with key. Third part, me, smoothly blend me and When you put it together, it's ischemia. Now let's practice. Repeat after me, ischemia. Let's say it again, slowly. Is-ki-me-a. Now faster. Ischemia, ischemia. Great job. Ischemia refers to a reduced blood flow to certain parts of the body, often caused by a blockage in the arteries. It can affect the heart, brain, or other organs, and is a key factor in conditions like heart attacks and strokes. It's a critical term in medical science, and now you know how to pronounce it correctly. You've just mastered the word ischemia. How cool is that? If this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment with other words you'd like me to cover, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation tips. See you in the next video.